Okay, hi, how are you? All right?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. So, test today, how you feeling?
A bit nervous.
A little bit nervous, yeah. Okay, so this is your second test, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, and what did we fail on your first test?
Just pulling out, not like going fast enough, keeping up the flow of traffic.
So it's just that one road, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, you had to just, new road, new mirror.
Yeah.
Get going, look at the speed limit. Yeah, we're not going to fail on that today, are we? No, okay. Okay, good. So we're going to go for a nice relaxed little drive today. You've got a lesson before your test. We're going to go over everything. We're going to go over all the exercises. We're going to do that one particular road. So I know it's playing in the back of your mind, even though we have been back over it. Is there anything in particular that you think I really want to go over that today? Is there anything that's jumping out at you?
Just practice the reverse bay part.
Reverse
Just
bay
make sure
part.
I get that.
Nail that.
Yeah.
Okay, well we'll do that at the beginning of the lesson. So if we need to spend a little bit more time on that, then we can.
Yeah.
Okay.